Hello guys, welcome back to NafRMJ channel. In this video, I want to tell you a story about Cinnamoroll. Cinnamoroll is a cute little puppy with fluffy ears and a tail that looks like a cinnamon roll. Though he's a bit shy, he can spread happiness wherever he goes and make friends with everyone he meets. Plus, you'll often find him hanging out at Cafe Cinnamon, where he snuggles up for naps on customers' laps. If he isn't at the cafe, you can see him flapping his huge ears to fly around clouds as fluffy as him. Our lovable puppy story begins when he falls from the sky into Cafe Cinnamon, a little coffee shop located on top of a hill. The cafe owner, who's totally chill about this skydiving pup, decides to adopt him and names him Cinnamon because, well, he's got a cinnamon roll for a tail. Cinnamoroll is so cute because he's like a perfect mix of awesome things. First off, he's a dog, which a lot of people love. Next, in terms of adorable looks, Cinnamoroll has a lot to offer. He's small, fluffy, and has chibi-style proportions. What's more, his white, blue, and pink color is versatile and popular. With his small size, color, and calming vibe, it's no wonder everyone finds him so lovable. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and ring the bell.